I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking SAS chapter 4 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, please add me for your weekly quizzes, and please add me for your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities from Canada, USA and many more countries. Okay, now let's start our exam. To solve it step by step, select but do not open the sales by employees table. Use the form tool to create a form based on sales by employees table. Basically in this question, use the form tool to create a form table. Okay, first we will select but do not open the sales by employees table. Okay, first we will select this but do not open, then go to the create tab, then click on first we will select this sales by employees table. Okay, then use the form tools to create a form based on the sales by employees table. Then we create a form. Now we create a form. Okay, form will be created. Okay, sales by employees, and then create a form. Close the form and save the form as sales by employees. Okay, we will close this form and then we rename as this sales by employees. Right click on this. Okay, save first and then we will close this, save as this sales by employees. Type this name, sales by employees. Okay, sales by employees, then click on OK. Okay, this now close the form and save as sales by employees. This is save and close by. This is done now. Now next question is that create a split form based on the employees info table. Change the title to employees info split view and press enter. Create a new multiple item form based on the sales by employees table. Change the title to sales by employees multiple item and then press enter. Okay, basically in this question we will create a split form based on the employees info table. Okay, first we will create a employees info table. Select this table and then we will create a info table. Create a split form. Go to the create, click on split. Okay, go to the form group and then click on more forms and then we will select here split form. Okay, split form will be open. Now change the title to employees info split view. Now we will click on title and then we will change this title to employees info to split form. Sorry, split view. We will type here split view in the title box. Okay, then press enter. Then create a new multiple item form based on the sales by employees table. Now we will select the based on the now we will select the sales by employees table and then we will create a multiple form. Okay, then go to the create group, create tab in the table group, then click on more form in the form group and then click on multiple form items. Okay, this is good now. Then change the title to sales by employees multiple item. Okay, then we will change the title sales by employees and multiple item. We will type here multiple items. Okay, then we will press enter. We will type first multiple items and then we will press enter. Now create a navigation form with the horizontal table layout. Okay, create a navigation form. Click on create tab. Click on navigation and form group and then we will create a navigation form with the horizontal table layout. You can see horizontal table layout and then click on horizontal table. Okay, this is good now. Now add the saved sales by employees form and then employee info form to the navigation form. Okay, add the sales and then employees info table form, and then to the navigation pane you can see this sales by employees to the here. Okay, please follow my video. You will done your exam by watching this video. Okay, if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can see this. I have done this question. Now moving on next question. Okay, using this platform, change the commission rate for Steven Barton. Okay, applies ID 5012 to 0.325. Use the bottom portion of the form to select the record and then top portion to edit it. Basically, in this question, first we will use the split form, then change the commission rate for Steven Barton. Okay, using the split form. Okay, Steven Barton to 0.325. Then use the bottom portion of the form. First we will using the split form. Then change the commission rate of Steven Barton to 0.325. Okay. ID is that, click on create and then click on more forms in form group. Okay, and using split form, then ID is 5012 to Steven Barton 2. Then we'll change the commission. Scroll down, you can see ID is 5012. Okay, then we'll change the commission to 0. Here is 5012 ID, and then click on commission box, and then we'll change this commission 0.325. Change the commission 0.325. Okay, this is good now. And then the Steven Barton commission 0.325. Then use the bottom portion of the form to select the records and then top portion. Okay, this is good now. I have done this question. Now moving on next question. With the sales by employee multiple item form open in layout view, reduce the heights of rows so that they are about half of their original heights using the first cells. Okay, containing employees ID 5001 in the form. Then close the property sheet if necessary. With the sales by employees multiple item form open in layout view. Sales by employees multiple item form. Then we will go to the view tab and then open in layout view. Sales by employees table. Right click on this. Click on layout view. Height of row so that they are about half of their original heights. We will edit here half of original heights. Now we will change the height of row. We will scroll up to half. Okay, in the original view. Okay, change the font size of employees ID label to 14. Close the property sheet if necessary. Okay, then we will select the employees ID label and then we will change the font size to 14. Employees ID, go to the home tab, click on font group. Here is font, then select 14. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question. Change the layout of sales by employees form to tabular. Okay, then we will change the layout of this sales by employees form to tabular. Change the layout of sales by employees form to tabular. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Okay, right click on this, click on select this, go to the arrange, select this employees ID, then go to the design. Okay, go to the format tab. First we will select this employees by sales by employees form. Okay, then go to the format form layout tools and select all. Right click on this. Okay, and sales by employees, layout view by sales by employees tabular. Okay, here is tabular. You can see this. Go to the arrange and click on tabular. Okay, first we will select this and then go to the arrange and click on tabular. Switch the layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. Okay, switch the layout to stacked. Okay, switch the layout to stacked and then display. Okay, first we will select this and then go to the arrange tab and then go to the table group in click on stack. Okay, then display form in form view. Right click on this in form view. Sort the actual sales field in descending order. Okay, select actual sales fields and then we will go to the sort and filter group and then click on ascending, sorry, descending. Click on descending. Question is completed now. Now create a basic report that will open in layout view based on the employees commission all quarter query. Okay, basically in this question we will create a basic report that will open in layout view based on the employees commission all quarters query. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete exam for you and I will handle your complete course. Okay, employees info. Create the basic report that will open in layout view based on the employee commission all quarters query. Okay, employees commission, then go to the career tab, then click on report. Okay, this is done now. Now use the report wizard to create a report based on the sales by employees table. Add all three fields to the reports. Remove the existing group field and group the data by quarters. Use the summary portion, summary option to calculate the average actual sales. Accept the remaining default option and complete the wizards. Okay, first we will use the report wizard to create a report based. Sorry. One second, my PC battery is running low. Sorry, I am putting my charger right now. Close this first. Okay, then use the report wizard to create a report based on the sales by employees table. Okay, now see on my PC screen. Click on save employee, go to the create tab, click on report wizard, sales by employees table. Okay, here is sales by employees table, sorry. Then click on report wizard. Okay, then we will table queries is that. Okay, a variable field, a selected field, and then click on next. Okay, employee quarters actual sales and data by quarters. Okay, click on quarters, then greater than, click on next, then summary options and then actual average. Okay, option to calculate the average actual sales. Okay, summary option is that actual sales. Click on average, then click on OK, then click next, then finish it. Question is completed now. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. Okay, save the sales by employees report to documents folder as a PDF document using default file name. Right click on files, click on save as, and then PDF to save as. You can finish it. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 6 questions of this exam right now. Question number 7 is that with the employees commission all quarter report open in layout view and then hire date field between last name and sum of actual sales. Okay, with the employees commission all quarter report open in layout view, then add the hire date field between. Okay, right click on open layout view, click on add existing field and then click on hire date, then okay, change the sum of actual sales label to total sales and then press enter. Okay, change the sum of actual sales to label. Okay, then we will change the sum of actual sales label to, click on this label and then we will change to total sales. Select this and then we will change this to total sales. Tap total sales in here and then close the properties. Okay, then press enter. Apply the wisp theme to the objects only, second column third row. Okay, apply the wisp theme to the objects only. Go to the themes, click on, here is office, here is fact, here is icon, you can see. Okay, here is wisp theme, you can see this. Apply wisp theme to objects only. Okay, question is complete now. Please okay, I have done 95% of this exam. For remaining question and if you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python. Please follow my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and if you do not able to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, I will help you in your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.